Random math problem number 98. There is a milk sample with 50% water in it. If 1/3 of the milk is added to equal amount of pure milk, then water in the new mixture will fall down to blank. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40%. Okay, so let's analyze the problem. There is a milk sample with 50% water. So we have 50% water. So that means the part of the milk will be 50%, and then the water is also 50, 50%. Okay? If 1/3 of the milk is added to equal amount, so we have equal amount of pure milk, then water in the new mixture will fall down to blank. So there is no given amount of the mixture. So we can assign any number, but I will choose a number that is divisible to 3 because we will get 1/3. Okay? So I will let the total amount of the milk be equal to, so the amount of milk, let's say that is equal to 30 liters. Because 30 liters is divisible by 3. Okay? So if the total amount is 30 liters and then we have 50% of milk and 50% water, that means the amount of milk will be 15 liters and the water is also 15 liters. 50% or 1/2 of 30. Okay? Of these 30 liters, we will get the 1/3. 1/3 of the milk is added to equal amount of pure milk. So 1/3 of 30, so multiply by 1/3, 30 times 1/3, we have 10 liters. So we will get the 10 liters of these 30 liters. But remember, in these 10 liters, we have 50% milk and then 50% water. So that means this 10 liters is composed of 5 liters of 5 liters of milk and then we have 5 liters of water. But these 10 liters of milk is added to equal amount of pure milk. So we will add 10 liters plus another 10 liters, but this time these 10 liters will be pure milk. Okay? So now the question is, then water in the new mixture, the water in the new mixture will fall down to blank. So how many waters on this new mixture? We have 20 liters. So the amount of water in this mixture is only 5 liters. So the water is equal to 5 liters, and then the amount of pure milk is equal to 10 liters. Well, we have pure milk of 10 liters and another 5 liters of pure milk. So we have 15 liters of pure milk. So what is the content of the water? What is the percent of the water? So we just need to divide the water part to the total. So what is the total? 5 liters plus 15 liters, we have 20 liters. So the percent of the water will be 5 liters divided by the total 20 liters. So just divide this 5 divided by 20. So that will be equal to, so 5 divided by 20. So just add 2 zeros. So we have 5 divided by 20 is 0. 50 divided by 20, that will be 2. 2 times 20, we have 40. Subtract, we have 10. Bring down 0. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 20, 5 times 20 equals 100. So therefore, we have 0.25 or in percent, that is equal to 25%. The correct answer is letter B. Or another solution, if we have 5/20 in fraction, to convert this to percent, just make the denominator 100 by multiplying 20 by 5. Also multiply the numerator 5 times 5, that is equal to 25. 25/100 is equal to 25%. So same answer, letter B. So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have math question, just comment on this video or send me a message on my Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So bye-bye and God bless.